Dear traders, in this video, I'm going to teach you about a best indicator that will be used to avoid 99% of false signals in scalping strategy. And this scalping strategy can be used on the lower time frames from 1 minute to 15 minutes, but it will work best in 15 minutes time frame. Here I would tell you that this strategy can not only be used for the Forex but also for crypto and stock market. Before going towards the details, I want to tell you that which program I'm using for my trading, that is XNES. If you want to open your account with them, you will get the 5 options of accounts. They are standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero and pro account. They are trustworthy for their deposit and withdrawal methods, plus they give you maximum profit for your each trading. So if you are interested to open your account with XNES, you can find the link in the description of my video. Let's move towards the strategy. Here I would tell you that which indicators we are going to have today. That the first indicator is Fibonacci progression with breaks. So just simply type Fibonacci progression with breaks by Luxelco. 2,417 traders are using this indicator. Simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. Now the next indicator that we are going to have here is the moving averages proximity oscillator by Luxelco. 1141 traders are using this indicator. Simply click on it. It will be applied on your chart. From here we will close it. Now we will go one by one in the settings of each indicator. So first of all, in the Fibonacci progression with breaks, so we have to uncheck few of the options here, the plot, two plots, and we have to uncheck target, stop and labels as well, and click OK. Now we will go into the second indicator, and here we have to uncheck, we will not uncheck anything from style. From the input we have to increase the minimum length from 10 to 12, and we have to increase the smoothness as well from 9 to 12. So you have to click OK. This is all about this strategy. So now what we have to do for the long trade, we have to wait for this buy signal. B is here, as you can see, and then we have to wait for our candle to appear above this level, this green color cloud level. So whenever our market is moving above this, we have to confirm it by looking towards this histogram. If the histogram color is in the green, then we have to see that these candles should be above zero level line. If they are appearing above zero level line, and they are in the green color, we are ready to enter into the market for the bullish trend. So we will take the signal for the buy, and we will take the maximum profit. As you can see, till here we have taken the maximum profit. After that, the market has taken the trend of bearish signal, and we can enter into the market for the bearish trend, but we have to wait for the S by the indicator. As you can see, from here till here it was just a level market, so we will avoid trading in this scenario. So here, as you can see, the indicator has given us the signal for the S, or for the bearish trend. This is sell signal. So we have to wait for our market to move down, making red color candle and in the red color cloud. And we have to confirm it more by looking towards the histogram. As you can see from here, it has red color candles which are appearing below zero level. So we are confirmed that we are in the bearish trend. So here we can take the trade. We have to take the trade for the bearish signal, and we will enter into the market for the sell signal. If you go and check the same strategy in the gold market, as you can see here, that our market has taken the trade given as our indicator has given the signal for the buy. Here we have to wait for the market to move in the green color cloud, and it should be above this. So we have to wait for this. We have to enter into the market, but we have to confirm it by looking towards this histogram, that green color candles are appearing above zero level. So from here we will be confirmed that we have taken the trade and it is in the right direction. But after that, as we can see here, sell signal is given by the indicator. Then we have to wait for the red color candle to form in the red color cloud. So they are formed here, and by the histogram also we are sure that red color candles are appeared in the histogram below the zero level line. So we are confirmed that we are in the bearish trend and it is the right direction where we can earn the maximum profit. So here we have avoided almost 99% of false signals. All the trades that we are taking here are the trades that will give you maximum profits, and we cannot take that trade that can misguide us or that can be false. So if you like this strategy, do use it for your own trading, and do not forget to like and subscribe my video. Good luck for your trading. Take care. Bye bye.